What's up, guys? So today I'm going to show you how to unlock your height restrictions of the Mini 3 of actually any DJI drone. Actually, it can work for, but today I'm going to be using the DJI Mini 3 Pro, and I'm going to unlock the height restriction of 120 meters to 500. Frankly, actually, I've already unlocked it. It is already at 500 or maybe 300. I don't know what it is at, but I'm going to show it to you how to basically set at whatever height you would like to, from 0 to 500 meters. So the first thing what you need to do is you got to power up your remote and you got to power up your drone. Wait for it. Once that's done, then we can pretty much do things. Okay, and the reason I'm sharing this video with you is not for you to break laws and regulations around the world. This is just for your information. It could be of some use someday to someone, who knows. Yeah, so we're gonna wait for this to power up. As you can see, yeah, it's connected. Good. You gotta go and click, you gotta press the three little dots over here, and this puts you into your menu page. As you can see, this is, let me just put some focus over here. Yeah, as you can see, this is locked. I cannot change this right now, and it's stuck at 310 meters. Yeah, cool. So yeah, we're gonna change this. What you need to do is, first thing, you gotta power this off and wait for the background to become gray. Yeah, like that. And then it is still locked. You go back and click on the three dots again, come back to the menu, and now you can see that it has automatically come down to 15 meters and it is not locked anymore. And now you can change it. Oops, there we go. Okay, to whatever height from 15 meters to 500. Cool. So I'm gonna set it at, and this is gonna give you a little safety warning. You agree to that. It's gonna go back as well to 310. That was my initial height level. I'm setting it at 200. Okay, I hope you guys can see that. Cool. Once that is done, what you need to do is power up your drone again. Wait for it to get connected. Alright, it's connected and it's at 220 meters still. Okay, that's gonna go back to 310. Okay, so you gotta bring it back to whatever your required height is. So I'm setting it at 210 again, 200, same thing. And now I go back to the main screen by clicking outside the box, and then I go back to the three dots, and now you can see that it has been adjusted. So I think I was at 300 some meters, now I'm at 200 meters. So pretty much the same thing happens if you're at 100, 120 meters. You basically come to this menu, power off your drone, and then this is going to get unlocked, and then you can make the changes, and then power on your drone, and come back, and then it's going to get locked again. So basically, when the drone is on, you cannot make changes here, but when the drone is off, then you can make the changes here. That's the trick. Alright, hopefully that is of some help to some of you, and yeah, give me a like or give me a comment or something. I'm fairly new to YouTube, honestly, and this is the first tutorial I have put up. So yeah, happy flying and fly responsibly. Thank you very much, and I hope to come up with some more good tutorials in the future. Bye bye.